on this day, on this day, on this day. Today, I'm working on this little car, it's a Toyota 2012. Yeah, I'm doing the engine tune-up. Yeah, most people need to do their tune-up, especially when the engine gets to, let's say, 50,000 miles. You gotta do spark plug change, you gotta do oil change, 100,000 miles. You need to do the timing chain, check all your fluids, make sure like everything is not loose, So today I'm gonna be working on this car. Actually, it has a rough idling, so I'll be working on it. So this part one of it before I start moving stuff around. So I'll be doing that portion by portion, and I'll be trying to you know uh, let you guys know what's going on and what's happening and what's the outcome after doing all the outcome. So this is part one of it. I just started. Follow me up. I'll show you and I'll let you know what you need to do. All right, thank you. Yeah, mass flow sensor is out, ready for cleaning. Make sure you clean it up and put it back. So you gotta have the right cleaning detergent. Pour it out. Okay, go put it back. Get the screws back. Yeah, go ahead and loosen all the bolts, from the throttle body. Get them out. Pull the entire throttle body out. Once you loosen up, take it out and clean it up. Now it's time to clean this thing up. Once I'm done with that, it's gonna be looking super clean the way it looks at. Then from there, you have to go put it back, assemble, and make sure tighten it. Make sure there's no loose or there's no any air which will be passing by. Once we get done with that, that's part of it. Part one.